I don't think any member of the royal family in the United Kingdom has been arrested since the days of Cromwell. So you're talking all the way back to the 1600s. It's absolutely seismic what has happened this morning. And I think the mood music has shifted in the last 10 days. You will have noticed Keir Starmer said the other day, quite pointedly at the weekend, nobody is above the law in Britain. And a few days before that, there was a statement from Buckingham Palace out of the blue saying that they would fully support any police investigation into the Epstein files. So, what they're looking at with Andrew now is misconduct in public office. And this is going back to his time as trade envoy for the UK, flying around the world, trying to get business into Britain. The allegation is that he was sending information to Jeffrey Epstein, his billionaire paedophile friend, via email, sensitive information that nobody should have been seeing.